Hello everyone, I'm Rahim, and today's video is not just about money or expenses, but about an important aspect of your life. When you create a budget, you're not just keeping track of numbers. You're planning for your future, for your peace of mind, and you'll want to watch the video till the end because the last step could be a life changer. Let's get started. First, let's understand the importance of budgeting. Take control of your life. Many times we think, I've worked all day, I deserve some fun. But do you know when we take control of our money, it brings a sense of peace to our lives? Budgeting isn't just about managing money. It's a big decision for your future. It makes you more independent. If you have any big goals like buying a house, building an emergency fund, or saving for the long term, budgeting paves the way for them. Through budgeting, you can understand where your money's going and where you can cut down on expenses to save more. First step, understand the value of your income. Now, the first step is thinking about your income. Have you ever thought about how important the money you earn is? It's this income that will help you fulfill your life's dreams. There are some harsh truths related to your monthly income that we often overlook. Calculate your net income, that's the money you take home after taxes, and see where you're spending. Second step, the true picture of your expenses. Now let's talk about expenses. We often don't realize some small daily expenses, but when you track them, you'll be amazed. Did you know that your small daily expenses can add up to a large sum by the end of the month? A little coffee, a bit of shopping, these don't seem like much, but in the end, they block the way to your savings. There are some fixed expenses in our budgets, like rent, electricity bills, loans, and some variable ones like food, transportation, and entertainment. Think about how you can track these expenses more carefully. Third step, savings and investment, preparing for the future. Now let's talk about savings. The reality is, without savings, where will you stand during tough times in life? Allocate a portion of your monthly budget for savings because it's not just about financial security, it's also about your mental peace. Any money you save or invest is a gift for your future. Think of it this way, what you do today will help you next year. If you save 500 taka every month, at the end of the year, you'll have 6,000 taka. These small savings can become a significant source of income for the future. Fourth step, review and adjust a relationship with your budget. After creating a budget, the first thing to do is review it regularly. Sometimes your expenses may increase, or you may be spending money in the wrong places. A budget is like a relationship. It needs to be adjusted from time to time. There may be mistakes or changes, but if you follow it consistently, you'll stay on the right track. Develop a love for your budget because it will help you fulfill your dreams. 5. Budgeting tips. Not just a budget, but your new friend. Here are some steps to implement your budget. 1. Create a budget according to your income and avoid unnecessary or impulsive spending. 2. Set aside some money for unexpected expenses so you don't get stressed in times of crisis. 3. Use a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB to help you track your spending. Today's video could be the beginning of your financial journey. Budgeting is not just about controlling your money. It helps make your life stable and secure. So let's get started today. Create your budget and take one step closer to achieving your goals. If this video was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and comment below to share your experience with budgeting. Thanks, and see you again. This is a clear translation, keeping the original tone and message intact while making it easily understandable in English. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.